Why does your scanner show the P0801 engine code? What does it mean? P0801 is a diagnostic trouble code for reverse inhibit control circuit malfunction. The P0801 engine code for indicate the powertrain control module, PCM, or transmission control module, TCM, has detected an electrical fault in the circuit that prevents the transmission. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty reverse inhibit solenoid or switch, damaged wiring or connectors, faulty transmission range sensor, mechanical problems in the shift linkage, faulty PCM or TCM. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Ford, Dodge, Toyota, and Chevrolet. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.